You will love the features of this 2021 Ford F-150. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, tow hitch, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.